project 5 is just barely due today, but
I'm almost done. I've got one more table and then just my pie charts.
okay, cool. Do you want to share? Yeah, if you want to share, I've started it and I've gotten my tables done, but I'm still working on my summary calculations.
Okay. Hang on, let me see. How do I share my screen?
So, quick question: Did you guys type in the months, or did you use a formula to put them all in there? To remove all the duplicates for your tables.
I typed mine in.
Did you?
Well, usually if you type the first 2 or 3 and then hit that, copy it down, it should fill it in for you.
Yeah, there's only like 3 months. It was January, February, and March.
Yeah, we only need the first 3. Yeah.
I mean, this is such. I mean, I look at this table and you can do it in 30 seconds using a pivot table. So I don't know if I'll get penalized for doing that.
I don't know.
He hasn't graded any of my other projects, so I don't really know how I'm doing yet. So I'm kind of going with the flow.
Same here.
Yeah, on project 5, I did hardly anything that he taught us in that lesson, just because there's such easier ways. So I'm hoping I'm not going to get penalized for doing all other stuff.
Right. Yeah, I was wondering if you know what stuff that's more advanced, if you put that in. I don't know how he feels about that, or if we're supposed to just do it.
Well, I'll find out on number 5.
Data validation. I did a data validation on the mini project 5.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I did. I created a table and then I just did I wrote in what's the name? When you press Control Shift Enter, arrays. I did a whole bunch of arrays in there.
Oh yeah.
No.
So I'm just like, we'll see. I only did one where I put all the ones in, where it did the ones and zeros and it looked it up. So it just takes so long the way, but I guess it's learning.
Right.
Yeah. It's a really long way to do it, that's for sure. Can you guys see this?
Yeah.
Yes. Yep.
Okay. So coming up with all this data was pretty easy. The base price and all of this information was all in this information tab. So I just did the VLOOKUPs to find all of these, which was pretty easy. Calculating the discounts was, you just multiply your answer times the discount in the information tab. The net price, is just the base price plus the option price less the discount price. So that's pretty easy. Gross margin was just the net price from the cost of sale. So basically the cost of sale is what it cost him to build the house. And then the gross margin percentage, is clearly you're just dividing. It's easy. So, and I left my percentages with a decimal just because it rounds if you take out the decimal. So I didn't want to round it to 9. I don't know.
Yeah, I left it with 1 decimal also.
Yeah. So I think that's a personal preference, but I don't know. I didn't see where it said what to do there, so I just left it. And then for my summaries, this is where I am so far. So on my sales data sheet, if you can see, this top sheet is colored that purple color. The next sheet down is the blue one. And so you can kind of see my sales by month, my sales by community. And I color coded it just so I could keep straight which table I was using for what.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So what was the purpose of creating 3 different tables? I didn't understand why he wanted us to do that.
He wanted us to show the sales by month, the sales by the community, and then the sales by the floor plan. So
Yeah, I get that, but why create 3 different things on the data sheet, the sales data sheet?
I have no idea.
don't
And now that I look at it, I actually think I created the one. This is wrong. Sorry. This is actually sales by plan. There you go. So, and then I haven't got to the part where you do the pie charts yet. Oh, and then to get these figures, I literally sorted my tables by this piece of information so that I had them grouped so I could just sum it up from. So I don't know if you guys can see that.
That's why he's having us do different tables, is because we're sorting and filtering them.
Yeah.
We're sorting them.
I think so. So
Okay.
that's what I did, just because I thought that was easier than trying to do VLOOKUPs and then do, the summing and everything within that string. So
I have maybe an if formula on that. I tried to do it, but I couldn't figure it out, so I just gave up eventually.
Yeah, you probably can. I always look for the easiest way to do something. So for me, this was the easiest way, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's right.
Mm-hmm.
So you basically just copied and pasted 3 different tables from your first table, right?
Basically, yes. So, and then I just entered in, the different data that they were looking for. But yeah, basically. Are there any formulas you guys want to see? And I can kind of tell that I'm getting the right data because everything in my totals is matching up. Because, all the net sales for January, February, and March should equal the same as all the net sales for all the floor plans, which should also equal all the net sales for all the different neighborhoods, I guess.
I think it looks really good. So
Yeah, it does.
it's more self-explanatory seeing the way that you set your tables up and stuff like that.
Yeah. I didn't know what to do with this gross margin percentage. So I wasn't sure. Are we supposed to average these? Are they supposed to be I don't know what to do with them. I averaged them.
Go for it.
No, go ahead, guys.
Well, I just took when I got the table, I just took my gross margin or the net sales divided by gross margin, or vice versa, or whatever that.
Yeah, right here in the instructions it says gross margin money divided by net sales. So
yeah, so I just took, like on yours, the 145,932 divided by the 177.7. Yeah.
That?
Yep, that's what I did.
Okay. Yeah, I couldn't figure out what to do there. I wasn't sure if I should do an average of them all or okay, that makes more sense. Thank you. Anything else you guys want to look at on that?
I think I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
So are you putting your pie charts on your summary table, or are you going to do a different sheet for them?
I'm going to put them right here in this nice big blank space that I have. I've got one more table to go down underneath the sales by floor plan. I've got to do the sales by the neighborhood. And then I'll do my 2 pie charts. And I'll just do it all on one sheet because I'm lazy like that.
Yeah, that's it.
Sounds good.
Cool. Well, thank you.
I don't know if it helped you, but sure.
Absolutely.
No, of course. I think anything helps, really. So. Anything else, Ben?
Yeah, do we have anything else?
No, I'm good.
I didn't have anything.
Alrighty, I guess we'll see you guys on Monday.
That works.
At 9 work for everyone?
Yep.
9 works great for me, yeah.
All right. Have a good weekend, guys.
Cheers, everyone.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye.